Yo, step into the clinic, soul survivors, let's begin it. Plantar foot, layer 1, gonna have some anatomical fun. 3 main muscles holding down the base, giving your foot that foundational grace. Abductor, hallucis, flexor, digitorum brevis on the scene. Abductor, digiti minima, keeping your little toe keen.
Plantar layer 1, the foot's first defense. Abducting and flexing, making perfect sense. Abductor, hallucis, flexor, digitorum brevis, so grand. Abductor, digiti minima, across the plantar land. Medial and lateral plantar nerves, they share the supply. This superficial trio catching your eye.
First up, abductor lucis on the medial side it lies. From calcaneus, medial tubercle, it's a region does rise. Flexor retinaculum, plantar ponderosis to the medial base of proximal phalanx of the great toe. It's true, what's its mission? Abducts that hallux, moves it out with flair. Flex it's two, a dot and a pair. Medial plantar nerve gives it the juice to move. Entrapment here, medial foot pain, you might disapprove. Abductor hallucis medial and bold, keeps your big toe from getting too old.
Plantar layer 1, the foot's first defense. Abducting and flexing, making perfect sense. Abductor, hallucis, flexor, digitorum brevis, so grand. Abductor, digiti minima, across the plantar land. Medial and lateral plantar nerves, they share the supply. This superficial trio catching your eye.
In the middle, flexor digitorum brevis takes its place from calcaneus, medial tubercle, and plantar ponderosis. Space is tendon split, a clever little trick to middle phalanges of toes too. Defy they stick, action time flexes those lateral 4 at the BIP, helping your toes grip for all the world to see. Medial plantar nerve keeps it flexing strong. This muscle's a hero where it belongs. FDB, FDB, short and so neat, bends your little piggies, can't be beat.
Plantar layer 1, the foot's first defense. Abducting and flexing, making perfect sense. Abductor, hallucis, flexor, digitorum brevis, so grand. Abductor, digiti minima, across the plantar land. Medial and lateral plantar nerves, they share the supply. This superficial trio catching your eye.
Last in this layer, abductor digiti minima, way out west from calcaneus tubercles, both medial lateral put to the test. Plantar ponderosis contributes to its starting line to lateral base of proximal phalanx of digit number 5. So fine, abducts that pinky, moves it to the side, you know, flexes it gently, helping your balance flow. Lateral plantar nerve gives this one its command. Smallest toes abductor, all across the land. Little toe wiggler, ADM's the name. Abducting and flexing, that's his claim to fame.
This layer's right under that plantar fascia sheet. If that gets inflamed, oh, the pain in your feet. Heel spur or not, that fascia can scream, especially first steps like a terrible dream.
So stretch out those calves and give your feet some love. Keep this first layer happy like a well-fitted glove.